Hi everyone, this is a baby hair tutorial. I filmed a video on how to do these two cute puffs in your natural hair. I will link the video down below, and also check out my channel. I film natural hair care content and protective styles content. If you're new to this channel, my name is Sadrian, and thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching my video. So we're gonna get right into how to do your baby hairs. This is the full baby hair tutorial. This is how I do my baby hairs. Like about 80% of the time. I do my baby hairs in different ways, but let me show you my favorite way on how to do my baby hairs. So I'm just gonna take a little bit more gel and just add it around my edges. I am using the Wetline Extreme Gel. You can use either a gel or edge control. So I am using some gel. I'm just adding all over my edges first. Then you're gonna take an edge brush. I will link it all down below, the gel and the edge brush. I'm just kind of like smoothing down my edges first before I start my baby hair tutorial. So I'm using the little comb part just to smooth down my edges a little bit. Then I'm gonna take the little comb part and see how, like, where I want my edges to come out. Take a small amount of hair and just kind of like swoop it down. So you want to take a small piece of hair and swoop with the comb part. That's it. Very, very simple. Hold it down with your middle finger or your index finger while you're swooping it down and curving it to the side like that. So I'll just take a small piece of hair and swoop it. Very, very easy, very, very simple. Takes a little practice. And I like to pull my edges out on this side as well and take my finger, hold my edges down as I swoop it down. Then I like to take out a little bit of my little sideburns, I guess you want to call. Swoop it all down like that. Now I'm going to take a little bit of edge control, and I'm using the Argan Oil Cream of Nature Edge Control to add on top of my baby hairs. So you want to just add it all on top like that. Then I'm going to take the brush side of it and just like kind of smooth down my baby hairs. So you want to make sure you hold your edges as you're swooping it down. This just makes sure that your edges is looking really, really sleek and it stays throughout the whole entire day. That is how I do my baby hairs. So now I'm just gonna repeat the same steps towards the other side. First, I like to use gel first. I just really like using gel in my hair. You don't have to use gel. You can just use the edge control. Smoothing down my edges first. So then I'm taking the comb part of my hair, smooth it down. So now I'm gonna take some edges out, starting here, and making sure I swoop it as I go. You see how I'm like swooping it? You want to make sure that you hold it down as you swoop it down like that. All right, so now that I am comfortable, well, I'm happy with how that looks, I'm going to take a little bit of edge control, add it on top. Like that. And then I'll take my brush side and just brush, like swoop it down and making sure that it's smooth with the brush. The comb is just to like, using the comb part of it is just to get it molded and in place first, and then using the brush is just to smooth it down. All right, you guys, I'm back. I just wanted to show you guys my edges. This is how my edges looking. I had to fix this off camera a little bit. This is how my edges is looking. That is how I do my edges. And also I did a video on how I did these two puffs. If I did not mention that already, I think I did. I have a part 1 video on how I do a puff, on how I do these two puffs, and this is the part 2 on how I do my edges. So yeah, this is how my edges are looking. My edges will last all day. Sometimes I tie it down if I want to like sleek it down a little bit more. You can also tie it down as well, but sometimes I just leave it alone how it is, and it will still last all day. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, if you learned anything from this video, please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for the next video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everyone who subscribes to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Love you guys. Take care of yourselves and have a great day. Bye.